we talked about personal versus corporate usage of apps like any of the AI apps, or it could be the cloud storage apps as well. And the identity context matters here. So I'm sure a vast majority of you folks may have provisioned access to corporate usage of some of these AI applications or agentic workflows, but you would want to prevent that if they're using personal accounts for those same AI accounts. And the trust boundary is really what is the identity, who's the ownership, and not really like have a brute force blocking capability if they're using ChatGPT or Gemini or whatnot. So excited to share that Nightfall does support distinguishing personal versus corporate usage of AI apps, of cloud storage apps. There are close to 35 different domains where we are able to distinguish and differentiate the sessions. And we are doing that with a combination of the endpoint agents and the browser plugins that we've installed that you may have rolled out via your MDM solutions. And we are going to look at what that experience looks like. You can be very prescriptive and have a policy in place that states that if data is originating from a particular corporate app and is going to a corporate app, I do want to allow it. But if it is going to a personal version of that app, I want to prevent that activity from happening. So the scenario that we're going to look at here is that exact same scenario. So I am logged into my personal Google Drive account, as you can see here, and this is my demo environment, and I do have my corporate account that I typically use for demos logged in as well. So what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and upload the same file that originated from my corporate account, right? So it could again be a customer list. It could be any other document that I may have downloaded. So we are able to distinguish and prevent those activities from happening. And we are doing that. As you can see, I did get a block notification here. So I'm also going to be opening up the on device notification. So because I'm sharing my full screen, you don't see the on-device notifications, but as soon as I attempt to do that, I get the custom message that I've set up with this policy. And you could do this across the supported applications that we talked about. So I'll bring that up in just a bit. But that's the employee side of the experience. So the moment I try to do that, I'm prevented from engaging into that particular activity. So this is the event that gets created instantaneously. Um, there are a couple of assets, the financial forecast, as well as the customer list. I can go ahead and preview that particular file that violated our policy. And this is what the financial forecast looks like. I can choose to download this file. You have all the context you need. And the data lineage does show the fact that the file originated from my corporate Google Drive account and then it was subsequently blocked because it was going to a personal account. If I had to do that on my corporate account, I wouldn't be blocked. That upload will go through just fine. And that's happening with the context of the exfiltration event. And I'm in my notification center, but there's no sort of block event that has come through. There won't be an exfiltration event that will be reported here either. And let's look at what that policy looks like that enables us to do that, right? So uh, when you roll out the endpoint agent, there is a corporate domain collection that is created by default. So if we go under domains, uh, think of these domain collections as trust boundaries. And any high value source applications or any shadow unsanctioned AI or any other unsanctioned applications that you want to monitor, you could create domain collections for this. So there is a default corporate domain collection that's created, and you could augment and specify as many domains as you want for all the high value SaaS applications from where you wish to monitor that particular scenario. And when I go to a policy, so there is a policy where I can monitor for the data is originating from a high value source app like Google Drive or any of these 35 different domains that we've listed here. And if it is going to a personal version of that app, then it is blocked. So what's happening is the data originates from Google Drive, and then enabling the user session check enables us to distinguish between the the account types or the identities that are being used to log in and use any of these apps. We support Teams, SharePoint, Outlook, OneDrive, any of the Office apps, all the Google Workspace apps, the AI assistants like Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, you name it. We're able to distinguish the session and then prevent that activity from happening. So this is again a pretty impactful and a powerful tool in your armor to distinguish and prevent risky exfiltration behavior.